Hey guys, today I will show you some goofy trick or bug on your CS2. Here I will show you how to make your character or your player twerk. Yep, you heard that right. How to make the twerking movement on your character. This is actually very easy. First requirement is you have to have a diffuse kit. Like you can see here, if you don't have it, it's not gonna work. So, and what you're gonna do is basically halfway through the screen, you just have to click down and up, like you can see here, like that movement, like so. So I don't have a CS2 downloaded here, but I can show you the preview with my screenshot, and then yeah, like you can see here, she's doing the twerking movement, and then it's basically like this: up, down, up, down, up, down. Yep. Yeah, so you basically did a twerking movement with your character on CS2.